Previously, we introduced you to the Matica EDIsecure XID8600 retransfer card printer, and in this video, we want to explain to you how to use it to create 600 DPI images and text as true card validation features. As discussed in the other video, the XID8600 can print static and variable images and text in true 600 DPI, allowing for graphics that require 10 times magnification or more to clearly see and verify. This means that you can use certain fonts that clearly read as small as 0.75 points, and in some cases, even smaller. Fonts, such as those in the Terminal, Eurostyle, and Small Fonts families, and those designated by their creators as pixel fonts, can be printed cleanly in composite or resin black in microtext. Though there is presently no international standard for microtext sizes, it is generally defined as any text that requires magnification to read clearly. When creating your card artwork, it is important that you generate your images in file formats that can retain the high quality needed for 600 DPI. Do not use JPEG or GIF images, which can suffer from image degradation during the saving process to keep the file sizes smaller. But instead, use bitmap or TIFF files. Be sure to check that your software application can support those image types. You also need to create your background artwork in the appropriate size for retransfer printing, which will not only be larger than normal direct-to-card printer sizes, but also larger than standard XID300 DPI retransfer printing. For full card coverage, images need to be 2072 by 1328 pixels. Be certain to make sure that your software application can also allow you to create templates of that size. It is also important to note that microtext and fine line images also appear more legible when printed in composite YMC than they do when printed in K-resin only. Since the resin is a different substance than the colored dye sublimation inks, the smaller you get, the more it tends to block together, making some edges and narrow points less refined. Composite text allows for more gradients in smaller fonts and lets the eye build the rest of the image when viewed through magnification. K-resin text also typically prints last in the retransfer process, which means that the black will sit on top of the rest of the image, making it more obvious to viewers that microtext or tiny images are there, while composite images and text can be hidden so that they're not only illegible without a magnification device, but they are also unnoticeable to those who do not know to look for them. This perfectly suits the capabilities of the XID8600 because you can hide variable or static text, like the cardholder's name, ID number, or card expiration date, inside other text or images, like the cardholder's photo or your company logo, and your security personnel can check it under magnification and know immediately if a card has been altered or counterfeited. For more information, including a printable graphic specification PDF summarizing the details of this video, please visit our website at www.xid8600.com. Call us at 1-8889-MATICA or email us at sales@matica.us today. We can also put you in direct contact with your local Matica reseller for current pricing and available options.